Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Fortnite not launching, won't launch issue or launching failed problem on Android devices. So here follow the fixes. So the first fix is to simply restart your Android device. So just restart your device, and after your device restart, then you can go ahead, launch the Fortnite game and check if a problem is solved or not. Next solution is to check for Fortnite app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for Fortnite. Okay, then search for Fortnite game and then search for it. Here you will see the Fortnite, tap on it, and if you find any updates available for this Fortnite app, then kindly update it, and then you can go back, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Next solution is to check for internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly and it is stable. Now if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check, and if you are connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi, and then you can go ahead, launch the Fortnite game and check if a problem is solved or not. Now if possible, then you can also try to connect to different Wi-Fi or mobile data via hotspot and then check Fortnite is working or not. Next solution is to force stop Fortnite app. So tap and hold the Fortnite app icon, then click on app info and then click on force stop, and then again click on force stop to confirm, and then you can go back, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. If not, then you have to clear the Fortnite app cache. So tap and hold the Fortnite app icon, then click on app info and then click on storage usage and then click on clear cache, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then also click on clear data. Now please take a note that clearing the app data will clear the app data including files and settings permanently from this device. So if you agree, only then tap on delete to confirm it, and then you can go back, launch the Fortnite game and check if a problem is solved or not. If still your problem is not solved, then allow the background activity for the Fortnite app. So again tap and hold the Fortnite app icon, then click on app info, then go to the battery usage and allow the background activity, and then again click on allow to confirm it, and then you can go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to check for the required permission. So again tap and hold the Fortnite app icon, then click on app info and then go to the permissions, and here make sure that you have allowed the required permission from the list. You can allow the notification, turn it on, and if you find any other permissions that are required to play the game, then allow them, and then you can go back and then launch the game and check. Next solution is to connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for a VPN and search for it, and then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, such as Ninja VPN, Turbo VPN, Proton VPN, Octohide VPN, NordVPN, Express VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, then launch the VPN app and then connect to a different location than your current location, and then you can go ahead, launch the Fortnite mobile app and check if a problem is solved or not. Now if you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Next solution is to update your Android device. So open settings, scroll down, tap on system and update, and then click on software update, and this will check for updates on your device, and if there are any updates available, then download and install them, and then you can just launch the Fortnite game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and then reinstall the Fortnite app. So tap and hold the Fortnite app icon and then click on uninstall, and then again click on uninstall to confirm, and then just restart your device once, and after your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for Fortnite game and search for it, and then tap on the Fortnite and then click on install button to reinstall the Fortnite app. And once the Fortnite app get installed, then you can go ahead, launch the game and download all the required files and then launch it, check if a problem is solved or not. And if still your problem is not solved, then last thing you must check the Fortnite server status. If you find that their server status is down, having outage or under maintenance, then wait for some time, and once the Fortnite server get back online, then you can check and see if your problem is solved or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Fortnite not launching or won't launch issue or launching failed problem on Android phones. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.